Right. Right. Good evening, everyone. Right. Last class, we have learned something about, different courses you have to learn to become software engineer. Remember? Okay. Because of projector problem, we couldn't complete last class. Last topics are pending. Let me finish it. Then today we are going to enter into Java and its programming we are learning. Hope you remember today onwards class is for 2 hours. Up to 8 I will take class, right? Everyone ready? Yeah? Okay. So let's quickly revise what we discussed last class. So what are the skills required to develop a project? So tell me, whenever I say project, are you able to visualize 3 parts? And the 3 parts are connected by the bridge, advanced Java, Servlet, JSP and JDBC. Okay. Then first, if you want to develop. Okay, Janaki Raman, is the current chapter is object-oriented programming? No, right? Then how can I explain you this? You want to learn only the topic and leave the batch or what? No, right? You want to be for the entire project, right? Now, when time comes, I'll explain. Okay, problem solving skills. Yeah. So logical programming skills, object-oriented programming, or database programming, UI, server-side programming, fast development. Okay, end of the class, please remind me, I'll explain. Okay, now, tell me, with up to server-side programming, can I complete project development? Yes or no? Yes, but takes a lot of time to complete the project. Every part of the project, you only have to develop. There is no reusability. Okay, we need reusable code. Okay, ready-made code we want. Then we have to require what? Fast development. Fast development part is what? Frameworks. Tell me, problem solving skills, what is the course? Logical programming, C and DS. Next, object-oriented programming, not OOPS, core Java. Okay, next, database programming, Oracle SQL, PLSQL. UI programming, HTML, JavaScript, CSS. Next, server-side programming, advanced Java, JDBC, Servlet, JSP. Fast development, frameworks, tools. DP means? DP, design patterns. DP means design patterns. Okay, nice. What are the courses you must learn? Yesterday I have added one more course, right? CRT, CDS, Core Java. C means C language, okay? Oracle, SQL, PLSQL, and next HTML, CSS, JavaScript, advanced Java frameworks. Under frameworks, Java frameworks are there, and also HTML framework is there. What is that? Hibernate, Spring, React. Yesterday I have added one more course. What is that? One more course I added. What is that? Come on. Web services, right? Web services, XML and web services. Tell me, XML web services meant for what? Developing project or connecting projects? Connecting projects. Okay, so business to business connection applications if you want to develop. Now we have to learn XML web services. Okay, I have a question. Now I hope yesterday you realized, one more time I'm making you realize. Tell me, online students are now doing the payment for our course. Now they are doing payment from their PhonePe or net banking, right? So from one bank to their PhonePe to, now they are doing the payment to NareshIT account. Then tell me, PhonePe app and bank app now connecting by using which technology? XML web services. Clear my point? Right. So you have to start observing all these courses everywhere. Okay. Next, tell me. Now in your bank, you have some money, that is money deducted from your account and adding that money to NareshIT account, right? That is business logic, na? Additions and subtraction. That addition, subtraction, mathematical logic you are learning as part of what? CRT. And implementing as part of what? Core Java. In a logical programming or object-oriented programming? Logical programming you are developing as part of object-oriented. So here who are the objects? You are one object, Naresh IT is the another object. So from your object account, money directed and added to Naresh IT object account. So that slowly you are going to learn more details about it. Next, tell me. Next, we are going to learn what? Java tools, which are called DevOps tools. For Java tools are meant for developing project or finishing project. Finishing project. We completed project development. Later, we need to do small changes. Daily activities are there. The daily activities we are doing by using Java tools. And last, design patterns. Design patterns are best suggestions for developing projects, right? So there are 21 design patterns are there. These 21 design patterns are representing problems. To solve the problems, we have solutions. That problem and solutions are called what? Design patterns. And last, you have to develop one project. Tell me, as a fresher, first 6 courses are mandatory and frameworks, other courses also essential. You have to learn. But if you're an experienced person, if you're trying for the job as an experienced person with some gap as an experience, you have to learn all these courses. Don't ignore any course. So last class we have completed up to here, right? And then now I want you learn what is the right order to complete this course. Full stack Java completion steps. What the right design we have to follow. Now look at here. First, you have to start learning core Java, Oracle, HTML. Yesterday I told you this is designed for whom? For all students are? No. Who completed academics and waiting for the job. Either as a fresher you are trying for the job or as an experienced person you are trying for the job. You have to follow this pattern, this procedure you have to follow. So that your time will be saved, money will be saved and quickly you will get job. Blindly whatever I am saying you follow. Okay, na? Some other faculties when you join for other courses they will say that prerequisite, this prerequisite. Don't care anything. Whatever I said, just blindly follow it and implement it. So that time and money will be saved. Look at there. Core Java, Oracle, HTML. Tell me, when I display these 3 courses you can do at a time, is your mind accepting it? After class, you will come and ask me, sir, am I confused, sir? And you yourself decided you will confuse. Who told you that you will confuse? You only telling yourself. And you are telling always yourself, I'm a waste fellow, right? Go back and visualize your 10th class. 10th class, how many subjects you studied? 6 subjects. Each subject has 2 papers now. And totally 12 papers you studied. When 12 subjects you are studying, when there is no confusion, why you have confusion now when for studying 3 courses? Yes or no? My point is correct or not? That's why generally I will say initial days of our courses, BTech brains are dead brains. Always confusion brains. Always say that, can I do that? Can I do that? I cannot do that. This kind of all doubts you will rise and finally will get away from the success. So already last class we have seen core Java meant for developing business logic. What knowledge you require to develop business logic? Maths. Simple maths, addition, subtractions. If you know, you can start core Java. Last class I asked 5 plus 6 how much? 11. Abbo, you are experts in Java. Okay. And tell me, have you ever filled any application form in your life? Many times you fill application form, na? Bank application form, NareshIT application form. Many forms you have filled. That application form filled experience if you have, HTML course is easy. That's all over. Tell me, after you fill application form and submitted, now that particular person is giving acknowledgement slip, no? That form is front end, HTML screen, and the final output is what? Report. Forms and reports only you are learning, nothing more HTML. Next, have you ever saved your notes? Now writing something and saving the notes papers for yourself? Yes. That notes is nothing but what? Database. Okay, na? Your notebook is nothing but database. The front end screen, what you are seeing is nothing but HTML. The background, some minimum calculations you are doing, that is what? Core Java. Now, shall I ask again? Your face is what? Wow, super, HTML. Okay. Your brain is what? Good. Brain, database. Thought process is what? Core Java. See how easy it is now, right? Your body is nothing but our 3 courses. Now tell me, if you want to get thought process, there should be someone to listen, no? Ears, eyes. Thus, ears and eyes are nothing but what? Advanced Java. Okay, na? Ears and eyes are nothing but advanced Java. Ears, servlets, JDBC, advanced Java. Query is running. Select query. Select start from this person is known person or not. Okay, now when you see your face, your friend looking, Arey mama, come on, right? That means he run one query inside. What is that? Select star from photos from the brain, where this face is equal to the available photos. So many photos are there in your brain, you know? So that photo and this face is matched. Yes, unknown person. Okay, if the photo is not matched, then what? Unknown person. Get out, who are you? I don't know. So if the record is not coming, if your eyes is not giving select query, records are not coming, then unknown person you will feel. Tell me, first day core Java course you come to Naresh IT and all the people sit here. You don't know who is Hari Krishna, right? Once I come here and say, hello, good evening, this is Hari Krishna, I'm here. Oh, even Hari Krishna means, okay. Right? Then that day you take and kachak, your eyes are blink and now my face is registered in your brain. Next day when I come to the class, select star from faculty where core Java Hari Krishna, faculty equal Hari Krishna. This face and that face yesterday, same, yes. Suddenly if your new face is coming, will you accept it? No, you'll say, hey, who are you? Where is my Hari Krishna, right? So that's what, IC is nothing but select query, JDBC. Select queries and JDBC. Your ears are nothing but connecting all your parts is nothing but servlet and JSP. Clear my point? So wake up. Core Java, Oracle, HTML, they don't have any prerequisites. You can start all the 3 courses at a time. Let us see now, are there any new batches running? You have to join along with Core Java other batches also. Where you can find Naresh IT Technologies, NareshIT.com website. Go to NareshIT.com, go to new batches, Hyderabad. Now you belong to Hyderabad branch now. Now core Java, Krishna, full stack Java, JavaScript. Oh, no, we want don't JS and HTML JavaScript. What the time? 4 p.m. from second March from tomorrow. Na? Today 1st March. Yeah, tomorrow 4 p.m. you have to join demo class. Will you? You have to join. Tomorrow I will ask what happened demo class. If you say, sorry sir, I didn't join, I'll beat you like anything. You have to join, okay? If you don't join HTML and if you are waiting for, later we will join. First, let me concentrate on core Java. I cannot handle multiple courses. If you come to that feeling, you will waste your time and money. And your friends who are following my suggestions, they will get job quickly within 3 months and they're happily going on. By the time you realize and then studied all these subjects and trying for the job, already your classmate has 1 year experience. He will become your senior in the same company. He will become your team lead. Okay, na? So that's why follow my suggestions. And then 8 p.m. Oracle, or wait for the Oracle batch. So people who completed your academics waiting for the job, from tomorrow, join for HTML course, 4 to 6 HTML, 6 to 8 core Java. Okay, na? Right. Both courses you learn. Sir, quick, immediately, side by side, 4 hours. Can I understand, sir? Again, Susara, beaten. Okay, na? Always you are creating doubts on you yourself. So don't create any doubts. You will understand that is different course and this is different course. Okay, na? So there is no confusion. Happily will understand and you enjoy. Okay, and then wait for 1 more week, maybe next week. Oracle batch will be starts. That time you can join. I'll let you know that batch. Clear? Right. So now let me come back. Then tell me, you are joining core Java, Oracle and HTML, going all 3 batches at a time. Okay, na? Now, once core Java object-oriented programming completed, in Oracle SQL completed, in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, HTML completed, means 50% of the course completed. Then you have to plan for what? CDS or CRT. If you are feeling that, logics you are unable to develop, I'm unable to build the logic, feeling some difficulty in understanding logics, then join C and DS CRT. Else, go for directly advanced Java. So, core Java, Oracle, HTML, you have to start. After OOP SQL, HTML completed, then go for advanced Java. In advanced Java, what is the first course you are learning? JDBC. First part is what? JDBC. Once JDBC completed, By the time JDBC completed in advanced Java, HTML course will be completed. Then in that HTML slot, you plan for what? Hibernate. Okay, now next. Now by the time Hibernate half completed in advanced Java, servlets also will be completed. By the time Oracle course will be completed, one slot will be free. In that slot, free slot, now plan for what? Spring Boot microservices. Are you catching my point? Then by the time you come to Spring Boot, core Java also fully completed. You will have advanced Java, End, Hibernate, and Spring Boot. Then you start for what? Job search. As a fresher, you have to search for job. And as an experienced people, still you have to wait until Spring Boot completed. Okay, in the middle of Spring Boot, your faculty will teach you XML web services. Okay, na? XML web service, JSON and REST API. And finally, now Java tools you are going to learn. Advanced Java faculty in the middle, Saturdays, Sundays, he will teach you Java tools and some design patterns. By the time you completed all these courses, okay, then at last, as an individual course, you plan Java real-time project. Don't plan Java real-time project with any other courses combination. All courses you have to complete, then you have to think about what? Java real-time project. So for experienced people, Java real-time project required. For freshers, don't join unnecessary time waste and money waste. Directly you can learn the project development in the company. So now here I want to give you the division. Per day, how many courses you attend? 3 courses. 6 hours per day you have to spend the time. What is that? Core Java, Oracle, HTML. So now these 3 courses, okay, will take 3 to 4 months of the time to complete all the 3 courses, okay, including holidays and all. I am telling you, 3 to 4 months it will take. Then in the middle of 3 to 4 months means you are also started advanced Java, na? Right? So totally up to advanced Java, if you include, it will take 5 months. Okay, up to advanced Java, if you consider, totally it will take what? 5 months it will take for you to complete these courses. So then you are, as a fresher, you are eligible to attend interviews after 3 months. After 3 months onwards, you start searching for the job. Don't wait for until all courses completed, not required. Okay, so within 5 months, your courses are completed. After 3 months completed means Core Java almost come to end. Oracle HTML already completed. Advanced Java somewhat completed. 50% of the syllabus will be completed. Then you should start searching for the jobs. Okay. And while attending the jobs, you should also continue what? Frameworks also. Compulsory. Even you are a fresher also, you have to attend what? Frameworks course also. Okay, you have to continue fresher course. Even though after getting job also, you have to continue these frameworks, because in company, all projects are developing by using what? Spring and Hibernate. As part of Spring and Hibernate only, all these courses you are going to implement. Olden days, advanced Java. But without advanced Java knowledge, you cannot understand Hibernate and Spring Boot. Okay, that's why Core Java, Oracle, HTML, advanced Java compulsory required. In company, you are developing code as part of Spring and Spring Boot. So this is what you have to learn, all complete courses part. If you follow this order, then you can complete within 7 to 8 months. If you follow this flow, if any person is telling that 5 months, 6 months complete will complete, that is a trash. That is cheating you. It's impossible complete Java, all these things within 6 months. It's impossible. Minimum 7 to 8 months it will take. You have to be ready for that. Already you wasted 22 years of your life, no? Hey, come on. Okay, yes, at least 4 years BTech wasted, no? Come on, correct only, no? At least 4 years BTech wasted. Now, at least now, let's spend the time for what? 7 to 8 months. Okay, now, the time you are spending for Java is not time wasting, remember. You are spending the valuable time for learning Java to survive your next 30 years of your life. Okay, right. Then now next question. This is what totally the course duration and how to do in the order you have to do. Now what is the fees of all these courses? I don't know. Understand? I am not the institute owner. I am not the admin of Naresh IT. I am the faculty of Core Java. Core Java fees is 2,500. It's a 3 to 4 months duration. That's it. Remaining courses, which faculty you are joining, how you are learning, that and all, I don't know. Is it clear? Huh. This is our syllabus, what I told you. No videos, everything is live class. Okay, na? Our course, one more time I am revising. Core Java with project development. For your batch, I also added what? Python, right? Both offline, online course, duration 3 to 4 months, including holidays and all. Daily class timing 2 hours, 6 to 8. Number of days per week, 6 days per week, Monday to Saturday. Okay, and the fees will be 2,500. Okay, before joining course only, you are thinking that, if you miss the class, what to do? Wonderful, Robert. Okay, if you have that doubt, don't join courses. When you really understand my point, if you really will not miss the class, if you have that confidence, then join. No, sir, every 2 days I'll miss the class and don't take the admission. Okay, then tell me, when you join the college, before joining the class, did you ask your college HOD, if I miss the class, how can you cover me? Erabuji, Akash Srivastav. Did you ask your college lecturer, if I miss the class, college, how can you recover the subject I missed? Did you ask any question? Then why you are asking now? Right. Prerequisite, no prerequisite, anyone can attend. Who can join this course? BTech student, any branch, MCA, MBA, BCA, BSc, next what? Intermediate and even high school students start from 5th class also can join. Whoever wanted to come to programming side, okay, everyone can join. Okay, I told you already in the previous class. Already told in the previous classes, I have 5th class students also in the previous batch. Okay, actually this is a link to the video. I think this link is not working. I want to show you for proof. Okay, the video is somewhere missing. Yeah. For proof, I have, I have recorded that student who attended the 5th class. He is so sincere. And the way he asking questions, BTech students also get surprised. The questions he is asking, the assignments he is completing, really different level, that fellow. Course material, I will share you soft copy PDF. And next daily assignment will be given as homework. And recorded videos, no recordings. Every class is live, you have to come and join. Okay, interview preparation, I will prepare you for interview. You no need to worry. 1500 plus interview questions will be covered. Listen, sir. People who have completed, who are trying job with BCA or BSc, you have to try only as an experienced person. BSc, BCom, I'm talking. If you are not from BTech or MCA, any other branch people want to come to IT industry, you have to try with minimum 2+ years of experience developer. As a fresher, you don't have jobs. You will not get interview calls also. My recommendation, people who completed BCA, BSc, BCom, you try to go for MCA with a 2+ course. 2+ years of MCA is also now there in the market. You have to do that, or else at least you do open university course. Is clear my point? Right. Then next, new features up to Java 19 version, your batch 20 version also coming, up to Java 20 version will be completed. So this is what the course details. I have given information about course name, course mode, prerequisite, about material, course syllabus. Okay. And I want you know 2 to 3 points about Naresh IT. You people know that Naresh IT is the best institute and providing both classroom online. Okay, normal track, fast track. Tell me, our batch is normal track or fast track? Our batch is normal track, not fast track. Fast track target is what? Completing course. Normal track target is what? Completing? No, giving you knowledge. So normal track students' mindset is learning full knowledge. Fast track batch students' mindset is what? Complete course. They wanted only one thing. Complete course, take course completion certificate. And with that, they are happy. But normal track students are not happy with the course completion steps. You want to learn full knowledge. Okay, very important. We are providing courses, all programming languages there in the market. CRT, C, C++, DS, Java, .NET, PHP, Python. And databases, Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, MongoDB. And UI technologies, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, React, Node. Okay, mean stack. Next, Angular, IO, Android applications development also. Testing also, Selenium, RPA. And cloud computing, AWS, Azure, DevOps, Salesforce also you will have. And next, now if you want Python, from Python, if you want to go to next line, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, Hadoop, etc. also are provided. And last, if you want to go to Python side or DevOps side, Unix and Linux are compulsory. That course also we are offering, right? So these are the courses. Whatever the technology you want to learn to go to IT industry, you can search in a Naresh IT. And next, so we have highly experienced faculties, all these things. Okay. Next, very important, we are providing placement for free of cost for the students who join for these courses. We are conducting some exam called screening test exam. There are paid placements also there, free placements also there. You have to check with the Naresh IT management. I'm not much aware of this. This is a old slide. Still, it's a free placements are providing or not, I'm not aware. Okay. Next, maximum companies we are bringing to Naresh IT 3 to 6 lakh per annum. Okay. Right. Next, if you are looking from training placements, you can choose Naresh IT happily. Naresh IT promise 100% placement. Your promise is what? Passing screening test exam. Naresh IT websites, you know, if you want to find new batches, you have to visit nareshit.com. Facebook page, if you are having Naresh IT. Say, no, if you want to search for the jobs, then seshajobs.com on its Facebook page. And if you want to find latest videos, you can go for YouTube, Naresh IT. And very important, Telegram. Okay, we have Telegram group for Java people, Naresh IT. Go to Telegram and you can search for what? Naresh IT. Or else you can go for link t.me, telegram.me, Naresh IT. Okay. Next, your class admin. 1 second, sir. I think we have already written. People who missed, please make a note. You have to have admin numbers with you. Please make a note. Shubham garu, Manojena admin, offline students. For offline student, admin is Mr. Manoj. Can you number share jera? Run number lo ne edi vali pillal. Next, for online students, admin is Mr. Shubham. మీ నెంబర్ కూడా ఎవరా అది ఎక్కడ మొబైల్ ఉంది వెతుక్కోవాలి yeah please save these numbers offline students and online students for both students faculty come admin okay who Mr. Hari Krishna okay you have to send messages only WhatsApp don't call no number will work if you call only WhatsApp 9010454584 fancy number yeah okay you can easily remember oh this is also fancy all are 7 3s only send only WhatsApp message don't call thank you don't call okay Hope all the people know make a note. Shall I remove? Yeah. So with this, we completed. Yeah, my target of last 1 week classes is changing your mind from Java student to software engineer, setting up your career, what are the different courses you have to learn and why you have to learn with the help of understanding project architecture and letting know the different courses you have to learn and what courses, if you don't learn, what is the problem and order of completing courses and duration. The classes what I have taken up to now, these classes have not taken or not given idea by my faculties that time when I was a student. Due to that, I have a lot of confusion, what course I have to do, what course I should not do, what are the problems if I face. So much of problems I have. So because of that problems I face, I don't want you guys, I don't want you guys face the same problem. That's why I have taken, even though it's taking 4-5 days, it doesn't matter. That's why I given complete clarity to you. Hope it's all these classes are useful to you all. Okay, now we completed about me, about you. You are a software engineer now, projects architecture, MVC, with core Java, advanced Java, everything. And about courses, what courses you have to learn, about your career. Career means your career is what? Software engineer career, you have to become a all-rounder. The mindset you should have, I should develop project either by using Java or by using Python. Then about our course, core Java and Python with project development. About Naresh IT, you know it. Now admin numbers also I shared. Now let's start Java. Ready? Yeah? So finally, we came to Mr. Akash Srivastav. Why you are sending message again and again? Okay. I didn't ask you to join, right? Okay, let me remove you so that I don't disturb the disturbance. Okay, I am only removing you. Happily enjoy. Okay, guys. So today class target is day 7, introduction to Java. Tell me, what do you want to learn as part of Java? Come on. DSA will not be covered. Collections will be covered. DSA will be covered as part of Java, not as part of regular course. Okay, sir. Yeah, that's what I covered today, man. You join later class. course completion procedure. That's what I explained up to now, right? This half an hour. Okay. Now, last class we completed. What we learned about Naresh IT, Java world, why you are here, full stack developer, core skills. Okay, what courses? Ashish, this is the slide I have missed yesterday. Okay, what is the order you have to complete your course? This is what I have explained just now. Okay, now? Now which version Java we are learning? Hey, which version Java you are learning? Java 20 you are learning. This is old slide, you are following old style. Java 20 you are learning. Okay. In that Java, which part of Java you are learning? Core Java. Java has totally how many parts? 5 to 6 parts. Core Java, Advanced Java, frameworks, web services, tools, design patterns. In that, how much Java I am teaching you are learning in this session? Core Java. If you learn only Core Java, it's not sufficient. You must also learn what? OCJD. Right? You should also learn OCJD with JVM architecture, including project. That additional masala I am teaching free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. By end of course, we will become a software engineer, compiler and JVM to pass interviews for a developing project as a full stack developer. So welcome to Core Java. Okay, tell me. Core Java syllabus already shared in the last class. We divided Core Java into 5 units. First, we have start learning language concepts, then logical programming, object-oriented programming concepts, Java API, IDEs, Java project. And this is the complete syllabus. As part of our Core Java, we are learning 3 architectures, MVC architecture, LCRP architecture, and JVM architecture. And somebody is asking data structures. So Java data structures are what? Collections. Collections framework is Java data structures. And the next, the most important trending new features are running in the market. They are enum, annotation, concurrent API, executor framework, reentrant logs, stream API, Java 8, module system, Java 9. Okay, other miscellaneous Java 8 new features, default method, functional interface, Lambda expression. This is 7 to 8 points. If you don't know, you will not get job nowadays. So we are giving more focus on these topics with clear live examples and project scenarios. Okay, then by end of the chapter, we are learning complete list of entry questions. Also, we are developing project by using all the chapters you are learning. Okay, now let's start our first chapter, Introduction to Java. Ready? Tell me, as part of this Java, Introduction to Java, as part of Java, what you have to learn? Okay, nothing but simple Java history. What is Java? Who invented Java? Why invented Java? No need to write, please. All the people focus. If you stop talking, I will stop. Okay, concentrate. We started our course, right? You all came here for Java, na? We started our course. Please focus. Close notes. Close notes. Not required any notes. I'll share a complete material, okay? I'll share complete material. Please participate and talk, okay? Right. If any of your side person is talking, please let me know. I'll throw him out. Understand? It is your class. You have to control other people, okay? You should not, excuse them. When other people are talking, you will get disturbance, right? So if any side person is talking, just you raise your hand, enough. I'll come there and throw that idiot from the class out. Concentrate. What is Java? Who invented Java and why invented? Next, you should learn there is something called platform dependency and platform independency. Next, standalone application and internet application. Already completed now? Next, Java history, abbreviation and release date. The next, Java features, how Java is simple and secure. The most important feature of Java. Why Java is chosen by the people to develop enterprise application is what? Security. How Java is secure. The next, definition of Java with respect to Java features. Where Java is used. Different types of applications we can develop by using Java. I told you there are 2 applications, standalone and internet. That is a category. Standalone application categories, internet application categories. But there are so many individual technical names are there. Those technical names we have to understand. When should we use Java and when should we use Python? Already I covered this. When should we use Java and when should we use C? I need to give some explanation here. With this, we complete our Java history theory points. Let's start first point. What is Java? Who invented Java and why invented Java? Tell me what is Java? Java is a programming language. Okay. In every batch, everybody is saying the same question. What is Java? Java is a programming language. Very good. Then what is C? C is also a programming language. When already we have C language, why Java came? Why Sun Microsystem invented Java? Come on. We have already C language. Then why do we need Java? C is a most powerful programming language. Using C, we have developed what? Operating systems also. Come on, try. IT people. Object-oriented programming. C is not a object-oriented programming. C is a structured programming language. Okay, now what programming language I want? Object-oriented programming language. Excellent. Java is a what style of programming language? Object-oriented programming language. What is the meaning of object-oriented? Yesterday I already told you. In a C language, we will do all calculation by using one mathematical formula for the given numbers. 10,000, 20%, how much? Okay, then we say what? 8,000, right? That is mathematical formula given numbers. But come to Java, Java is meant for developing business applications. In business applications, we have a concept called what? Objects. I am an object. You are an object. Everything what you are seeing in this world is what? Object. For example, if you take bank. Now I want to perform deposit operation, withdraw operation, current balance operation, transfer amount operation. Deposit operation and addition. Withdraw operation means what? Subtraction. Now what you are adding to numbers are amount and balance. Tell me, I am giving you 5,000 rupees to you. Last corner, buddy. Babu, last corner. Can you come here? Tomorrow onwards, don't come. Today you can listen class. Tomorrow onwards, don't come. You can happily there in the room and play with a mobile. Okay? No? What are you doing? Play the mobile. ఏం చేస్తున్నావు మూలం కూర్చొని బుక్స్ చదువుకున్నావా రాసుకుంటున్నావా నోట్స్ ఎందుకంటున్నా నోట్స్ ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నావు నేను చెప్పాను నోట్స్ రాయమని ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నావు నేను చెప్పింది చేయాలంటే క్లాస్కి రా నీకు నచ్చింది చేయాలంటే క్లాస్కి రావద్దు ఓకేనా నా స్టైల్ ఆఫ్ టీచింగ్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ కాలేజెస్ దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్రెడీ ఫెయిల్డ్ దట్స్ వై యూ కేమ్ టు my class. Again, you are doing the same technique you are following. Again, you want to pay. Listen and reply. Come on. So tell me, what is Java? Java is a object-oriented programming language. Okay, nice. What is the meaning of object-oriented? Tell me, I have a number called 5,000 rupees money. This 5,000 rupees I am giving to you, asking deposit. Come on, go and deposit. Go. Tomorrow, not now the banks are closed. You will go to which bank? State Bank. Why State Bank? Did I ask you deposit in your account? Did I give you 5,000 rupees to deposit in your account? I said deposit in my account. Then immediately what question you will ask? In which bank? In which branch? In whose account? Which bank? Object. Which branch? Object. In whose account? Object. So you are performing this deposit addition operation for one object. That means in a Java program, whenever you are planning to write a program, first of all, you have to represent that real world object in the programming world. You should write a program with that object name. Yesterday I asked you, find the 20% off, 27% of the mobile price. That means I should write a program first what? Mobile. I should write a program for mobile. Then I should store the data of that mobile. Then later I have to perform operations on that mobile. Are you following? If you take structured programming language C, there is no representation of mobile. There is no representation of bank. There is no representation of bank account. You cannot differentiate one value and operation from other value and operation. It's very difficult to develop business applications. That is where people have invented a new style of programming is called what? Object-oriented programming. Are you catching my point? So as part of object-oriented programming, we will write every program starts with a concept called what? Class. What concept? Class. Somebody asked me a question, what the difference between object-oriented programming and object-based programming? There is a programming language which we develop operation for an object, but I cannot create those objects in the program. In the coming classes, more detail you will understand. At this minute, just I'm introducing some words. So if a programming language allowing us to create an object and perform operations for the object, then we call it as what? Object oriented. Oriented. You know, heroine oriented movie, devil oriented movie, you know, some history oriented movie, what do you call terrorist oriented movie. That means what? The entire story is going around one particular thing. Okay, then we call it as what? Oriented. Love story oriented movie, family drama oriented movie. Are you catching my point? Right. So same way, we have a one programming language. We are writing program around, that is called what? Oriented. Around one object. Then we call it as what? Object-oriented programming language. Okay, got clarity? So tell me, Java is a normal programming language or object oriented? Already C++ there, no? Next to C, we have C++ as a object oriented programming language. Then why Java? C++ is more powerful than C. Then why Java? Security, okay? Not security, platform independent. You know, the common problem of C and C++ is platform dependent. What the meaning of platform dependent? I have a program developed in one operating system called Windows. Now the program which we develop in Windows operating system, we cannot execute in another operating system, Linux or Solaris or Mac OS. Then that program and programming language is called what? Platform dependent. If a program developed in one OS, it can go and execute in different operating system, then we call it as what? Platform independent programming language. Everyone understand that? Right. So tell me, the programs we develop by using C and C++ can be executed only in one operating system, cannot be executed in another operating system. That is the problem of C and C++. So finally tell me, what is Java? Java is an object-oriented. Which type of object-oriented? Platform independent object-oriented programming language. So what is a Java? Java is a platform independent object-oriented programming language. Then what is C++? C++ is a platform C++ dependent, platform dependent object-oriented programming language. Okay. Then who invented Java? Who invented Java? James Gosling. Okay, invented by scientist James Gosling in Sun Microsystems. Okay, who is James Gosling? He is. Okay, he is Mr. James Gosling. Understand? Future Krishna, right? Understand? Are Mahesh? Mahesh Suryavanshi. You join the course for collecting material. I'll give you material. Will you stop coming to the class? Come on, buddy, fast answer. Don't waste time. What I am explaining, you are not worrying, okay? Pangar Kondalra Miru. Worry about what I am teaching, Raswami. Don't depend on material, depending on your brain. Believe your brain. Your brain can remember whatever I am explaining. Okay? When I should ask, Rabbi, in the middle of the class, you need to ask her. Do you have common sense? In the middle of the class, you are asking, I should stop explanation and I should answer to your questions. Sir. End of the class, ask, buddy. Come on, guys. So tell me, what is Java? Java is a platform independent, object oriented programming language. Now tell me, why Java invented? Just now you answered. Java invented for achieving platform independence. Java is invented for achieving platform independence. Boys, all people are in drowsiness today. Till yesterday you are very active. Today, once the course started, Java started. Finally started Java. Relaxed, huh? So I think you are not happy to start Java. Shall I go back to old story? Then why you are not active? Till yesterday you were shouting, roaring like a tiger lion. Today, like a tortoise, silently you are sitting and watching. Come on, wake up, reply, and tell me, why Java invented? For achieving platform independency. Okay, tell me, when C and C++ doesn't require platform independency, why Java required platform independency? Why? What is the need of it? When C and C++ doesn't require working on multiple operating systems, why Java required to work on multiple operating systems? Yeah, sir, we have to ask James Koslinga. Correct. There is a movie, right? The movie. Any question? Yeah, and na kanpada, right? Kanpada, right? Yeah, sir, na kanpada, right? Same way, any question I ask, how do I know, sir? I am a student. Go and ask James Koslinga. Come on, try, think. You have sufficient knowledge in your brain. You have to take that knowledge out. You have sufficient knowledge. Last 6 days, I gave you sufficient knowledge to answer any question. Whenever I am asking a question, that means you already have knowledge. You have to bring that knowledge from your brain. Previous classes, try to revise so that you'll get answer. I repeat once again. Java main target is developing what type of applications? Standalone applications or internet applications? Tell me, what is the meaning of internet application? My program is available in server computer and I am accessing that program. That program is downloaded all the way from the internet to my computer and it should run in my computer. Then only we call it as internet application. C and C++ programs target is developing standalone application. Okay, now that time this much heavy internet usage was not there. This much business expansion throughout the world was not there. So that time, develop the application, use in one shop for one computer by one user to use. All the colony mates are coming to that particular shop, buying and going. Okay, so the software you develop that time is just meant for installing in one computer in one shop to use. But slowly, computer usage are increased, internet usage is increased, and the people started realize, why I should install my project in all computers throughout the world? Let me install my project in one place. Let other computers or other customers access my project. That is where people have started thinking. That is where internet applications are started getting boom in the market. That is where James Kosling started thinking, how can I develop this networking applications? Then people are trying to use the existing languages, C, C++. But C and C++, why Python not use? Python was a scripting, na? It doesn't have this much programming features. So how Java required huge programming features are required. That many programming features are not there, was not there in Python, was not there in the Python. That's why James Kosling didn't consider Python. Okay, they considered C, C++. Another language was there called Simula. What is the language name? Simula. So these languages they have considered to develop, the networking application. But C and C++, Simula, all these languages are platform dependent programming languages. Then if it is a platform dependent programming languages, what is the problem? The project we develop and place in the server computer, can it come and execute in our computer? No. Why? Server computer operating system will be generally Linux and my computer operating system will be Windows. Two different operating systems program cannot be executed. So that is where James Gosling has started developing a new programming language. Okay, na? The new programming language was named as what? Come on. Work, not Java. The first name of Java is not Java. The first name of Java is what? Oak. Sir, what is Oak? Oak is a tree, a big tree. Okay. Why they want to choose the Oak name? Why not Java directly? Why they change from Oak to Java? What is the full form of Java? What the abbreviation of Java? That and all I discuss in the coming classes. Okay. The initial name of Java is what? Oak. Later it is renamed to Java. Okay, so finally, why Java is invented? Java is invented for achieving platform independency for developing internet-based business applications. Already catch my point? So, repeat once again. What is Java? Java is a object platform independent, object-oriented programming language. Second, who invented Java? James Gosling. Third, why Java is invented? For achieving platform independency for developing internet-based business application. After listening this statement, all students are getting one doubt. Sir, then by using Java, can I develop standalone applications or not? Come on. Can I develop standalone applications? Yes, sir. We can develop standalone applications. But if we use only core Java, our applications will be what? Standalone. If you want to make your application accessible throughout the world, then you have to attach what? Servlet and JSP. If you want to store client data in the database, the right side you have to attach what? JDBC. So HTML, Servlet, JSP and JDBC if you use with core Java, then your application will become fully object-oriented internet application. Your application become what? Internet accessible. Only if you use core Java, your application become what? Standalone. So using Java language, we can develop both what? Standalone application and internet application. All the people understood? Then now my question is, we are here to develop what type of applications? Come on, we are here for developing internet applications. We are here to develop which application? Standalone. We are learning only core Java in these sessions. Na? As part of core Java, what type of applications you are developing? Only standalone applications you are developing. You are not going to develop internet application. If you want to develop internet application, you have to join which course? HTML and advanced Java. Only advanced Java not possible, right? HTML and advanced Java both you have to join. All people understand? Right. So it's a time now we have to start developing what? Core Java application. Core Java application is nothing but what application? Standalone application. Okay, tell me. If you want to develop standalone application, I want to run one video. In my system, I want to run one video. Then what we require? Come on, guys. I'm not asking Java. I'm asking regular question. Tell me, you want to run one video in your computer. What you require? Video required. You have already video in your system. You want to run that video. What we required? Video player is required. What is the software? VLC media player. Yen sir, adi go doubt ga cheptare. Eppudu video chodra. Mari inkentra bhaiya. Adi go doubt ga chepte etlaga. Java questions adite doubt cheppal, right? If I ask you Java questions, if you are giving answer doubtfully, it's okay. Come on. So what software required? VLC media player. Okay, tell me. I have one image file. I want to run image file. What we require? I want to open image file and see what is required. Image editor, right? Image viewer you require. For every program to run, every software to run, you need one other software, none. Is your video, audio files are executed by operating system? No. For every software or every program to run, I need one other software. Similarly, if you want to develop, compile and execute a Java program, you need Java software, na? Everyone understand my point? You need a Java software. Now tell me, if you want to develop standalone application, okay, you need one Java software. Let us try to see what is that Java software. Go to browser. Tell me, if you wanted to download VLC media player, what are you doing? Download VLC. I want to download what? Java software. Type what now? Java software. Download. Enter. What message is coming? Download Java for Windows. From where you have to download? Two places. Java software is open source software, and also Java software is what? Commercial, licensed. As a student, you can download anything, either open source you can download or licensed version also you can download. For a student, everything is free. If you are an employee working in the company, for example, you got job in Amazon. In Amazon, you develop the project, Amazon website you wanted to run. Then you should not use licensed version for free. You have to pay money to Oracle Corporation and you have to buy Java software. No, sir, I want a free. Then go and download from java.com. From java.com, you download the software that is called what? Open source, free of cost. But this open source software is not providing complete security. Okay, na? Security fully not all Java language concepts are provided, but security features are not provided because free, na? Then people are buying what? Oracle Corporation giving Java. So let us also download which is Java? Oracle Java. So oracle.com, Java downloads, click. Now tell me, which version Java it is showing now? What the latest version Java? Java 19. You want old version, you can also use old version 17. Now, as a student, we should always learn latest version. So I am downloading what? Java 19. Tell me, Java software you want to download for which operating system? Tell me, Java software for Linux is there, Java software for Mac is there, Java software for what? Windows is there. We have three softwares are there. We have to download Java for whom now? Windows. My system is Windows. If your system is, Mac OS you are using or Ubuntu you are using, you download those softwares. Now click on Windows. Look at that. We have Java software to download in three flavors. What are the three flavors? Number one. Look at there. What is the Java software name? Not Java. Java software name is what? JDK. Why Java software name is not Java? Why Java software name is JDK? In the next week, I will explain. Are you catching my point? Because it's already 6 days completed. Almost today, 7 days completed. Still, if I am dragging on the theory points, you will get bored, na? That's why quickly I'm introducing what? Programming. So today, tomorrow, I want to develop Hello World program and I want you to get experience with this program. Once you got some idea about programming, again, you will get bored. Again, we'll go back to what? Theory. Some theory point we'll learn. Again, we'll come back to programming. Again, theory. Again, program. Like that, we will manage program theory so that it will be interesting. And now look at here. VLC media player software name is what? VLC. Okay, na? Next, Notepad software name is what? Notepad. Every software name is that software. Oracle software name is Oracle. But interesting is, surprisingly, Java software name is not Java. Java software name is what? JDK. Why Java software name is JDK? I will tell you. Actually, there are two types of Java softwares are there. JDK and JRE. As a developer, I have to download, install what? JDK. Right? There are two flavors of JDK. ZIP, EXE and MSI. Installing ZIP and MSI little complex. Let us go for what? EXE file. Now I am clicking on this EXE file. 1 second. In my system, I already installed JDK software for your senior batch. I want to uninstall it. Online students, all the people listening? What the today topic? Introduction to Java. What is Java? Why Java? Who invented Java? And JDK installation. JDK software is a Budgie software. Have you ever installed any game software in your computer? You all have the experience of installing many softwares. JDK is also very Budgie software. Yeah, look at that. JDK is uninstalled. In my system, I don't have JDK. Now I am trying to download JDK. Tell me once again, all people, how to download JDK. Go to browser, Google Chrome, and type what? Don't type Java, type what? JDK. JDK, which version? 19 download. JDK 19 download. Then click on Java downloads. Then go to Windows. Then click on EXE. It takes few seconds to download, less than 1 minute. Small software, Guji software. If internet is too much fast, then it will become slow. Understand? If internet is a normal speed, it will download fast. Yeah, download completed. And now click on this one. One click is sufficient. Click on yes. Look at the Java SE. Again, new word is coming. Java SE. What is SE, sir? Standalone applications development part is called what? Java SE. Standard edition. That is also I'll explain the next week. Okay, what is Java SE? What is Java E? I'll explain. Now click on yes. Now installation started. Now click on what? Next. Listen carefully, very important, buddy. Now Java software is installing where? Java software is installing where? Program files, Java JDK. Look at here. This program files has a space, na? This space will create problem in the coming future. That's why don't install in program files. Especially Java software and Java related softwares, don't install inside program files. Directly install in C drive. Last chair, em chestunavra? Hey, what are you doing? Listening to what I'm saying? Last chair, what I told? Something I told here. What did I say? Install Java programs in C drive. Why? Who? Program files create problem. What problem? What problem? I didn't say anything, right? Then why you are thinking? You must say what? You didn't say, sir, right? Sit down. Listen. Look at the screen. Don't write notes. Don't habituate writing notes. If you are habituating writing notes, you are doubting your brain. You are telling to your brain, you cannot remember. That's why I am writing. Then your brain say what? Okay, boss, I don't remember. I follow my point. You are insulting your brain, Ravi. You are making your brain lazy. Tell me, when you are going to movie, are you bringing notes to pen? Every dialogue is telling you are writing. No, right? Then how can you remember 2.5 hours movie? Dialogue, you are telling, scene by scene, you are telling. Even costume also you are telling, no? Then why you are not following movie kind of, mindset in the classroom? This class also movie, every day one movie. Balai Babu movie today. Again, Mabao, Manabal, right? So tomorrow, Chiranjeev movie. Day after tomorrow, Pawan Kalyan movie. Every day one movie will come. Okay, na? Come on. So don't, doubt your brain. Now the program files space is creating some problem. So to solve this problem, always you install inside where? C drive. Directly C drive. Click on change button. Observe here, very important. Carefully remove. Start from the slash up to Java. Slash to Java you remove. It is a editable part. Carefully remove up to from slash. Click on delete 111. Don't press delete. Everything will be deleted. Slowly one by one character you delete up to what? Before slash. So you have to make this path is what? C JDK 19. Who is Balai Baba? Arre Mangeshwar. You don't know who is Balai Baba? Search in Google. Again, search in Google who is Balai Baba. Okay. Click on OK. Listen. The path got changed to C JDK. Now I'm click on next. Come on, sir. Now installation is going on. Where it is installing now? C drive. Go to C drive. Go to C drive, C drive, C drive. Where are you, C drive? Look at the JDK folder created. Inside JDK folder, now the software is extracting. All folders are coming. Java software installation is very easy. First step what? Go to browser. Search for what? JDK 19 download. Then click on Java downloads. Then click on Windows. Then click on JDK exe file. Then click on the downloaded exe file. Click on next. Then click on change. Wonderful. Super. Click on change. Then change the path to CJDK-19. Then click on OK. Next. Installation is completed. Within fraction of seconds, installation completed. Maximum 2 minutes here. JDK installation completed maximum 2 minutes. That's all. Installation is over. Click on close button. Close this browser. So JDK software installed. And now I have to dictate the notes. JDK installation stuff. Open browser. Then type JDK 19 download. Then click on Java download. LKG, you are. Can't you do that much small work? Like how you are searching your game software. Same way Java software. That's it. Simple. Try. Today night, after going to home, try all the people install in your system. Tell me. Now JDK software is installed. Listen. Last important point. After installing Java software, what is my job as a developer? I have to write one Java program. After writing Java program, I must perform two operations. Number one, compile. Number two, execute. Compile and execute. Everyone understand? Repeat once again. What is the developer responsibility in everyday his life? Number one, develop the Java program. Number two, compile the Java program. Number three, execute Java program. Once again, please everyone participate. What is the developer responsibility after installing Java software? Number one, develop Java program. Number two, compile Java program. Number three, execute Java program. Babu boys, slowly you are not talking. I'll punish you now. Ready? Come on, tell me once again. What are the subs you have to do? You girls, you don't tell. Let boy. Tell me. You tell me. Worst fellows. Boys, I'm talking to you. Worst fellows. Why? They are telling in a one voice. I'm able to hear clearly. Develop, compile, execute. All are talking in a same chorus. You people are going zigzag. No cooperation. Why? Because we are the best listeners in the world. Speaker, why? What is the problem? Do you have any voice problem, throat problem, speaking problem? Any problem? Interview will ask a question. Do you want salary? How much you require? Will you come and join from tomorrow? What will you in the company? Every signal you are giving with your neck and head. Come on, Ravi, involve. We already started Java. What happened today? Shall I stop the class? I think today you are not interested. Shall I stop? Shall I continue tomorrow? I have a target. Today, tomorrow, I want to complete program development. You want to understand program development. I don't want to drag more days. So you have to involve. Come on, already we started. Now the coming topic is horrible. Really horrible. Literally, you will get blood tears. If you don't participate, you will get blood tears. Really. You have to start talk. Ready? Tell me. What are the responsibilities of developer? Three. Number one, develop Java program. Number two, compile Java program. Number 3, execute Java program. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of develop? Type and save, not write. Are you writing notes? In your colleges, your terminology is write. Now it is not college, it is company. In company, you are not going to write. You are going to develop. Develop means type. Tell me. Now development is what? Type and save Java program. Nice. After saving Java program, you have to run that program to get output to perform your operations. Na? For example, okay, bank application I have developed and gave that bank application to Kotak Bank. You want to deposit money in the Kotak Bank. When you go to ATM software, when you go to ATM machine to deposit money, or when you go to bank, clerk wanted to deposit money, he is running the software what you developed or not? Tell me now. Once you develop the software, that software must run. Who will run? Are you running? No. Who will run? Come on. Who will run? Compiler run. Computer will run. Who will run? Computer run. Arey bhaiya, if computer can run, in my childhood also, childhood and my MCA, okay? Because I started my Java learning, computers learning from MCA. Okay, I have a doubt. Everybody say that computer will not run, computer will run, computer will not accept, computer will accept. Computer will not do anything. It is just a machine hardware. Then to run any program in your computer, we need a software. That first software, what you required? OS. Now my question is, everybody say that OS will run. Tell me, your video, audio files are running by OS. No. Who is running? VLC media player. We have a one special software. Tell me, now if you want to execute a HTML page to see the forms and reports, are they executing by the OS? No. We have one special software called what? Browser. Then who is running browser? OS. All are catching my point. Who is running VLC media player? OS. So OS is executed by hardware devices. Hardware device and processor will execute OS. OS will execute a software. Software will execute our applications. All guys understand my point? Similarly, like how your video player is executing by VLC media player, HTML page is executed by browser, Java program is not executed by OS. Java program is executed by one special software called what? JVM. What is the software name? What the full form of JVM? Wow, you know already. I told her you know already. I told her you know already. Hey, you are experts in Java already, yeah. Yo, that's why you are not listening. Okay. Come on. So first step is what? I develop Java. This Java program should execute by whom? JVM. Samajh mein aaya na? Arey, in which language you are writing Java program? In JVM known language? I am teaching Java in your native language? No. I am teaching in common language called what? English. Whenever I say one statement in English, you are understanding that English statement in English or in your native language? Your brain background translating into native language. Tomorrow I went. You came. Okay, na? Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you went. I came. Doctor, will you understand? Yes. Tomorrow, I understood. Come on, guys. Are you understand what I'm saying? Huh? Why you are seeing me serious? You know English or don't know English? Tomorrow antavu, went antavu, entra nuvu, right? Okay. Why you are saying past tense in future? Is your mind asking that question? Is you are identified and you stop listening? You're telling wrong, right? Tell me, in your childhood, you did this kind of mistakes? Your father, mother catching you, aisa nahi bolna, wo galat hai. So they are correcting. Past tense must be used with will. Future tense must be used with will. Past tense must be used with a did, should not write tomorrow, yesterday I should use. This kind of corrections are doing na. Listen carefully. When you write a program, this program is reading by whom? JVM. You may write your program like how I speak in English, wrong, mistakes, grammar mistake. Same way you also might do some mistakes or none. Who will correct your mistakes in Java? There is a special software called what? Compiler. Okay, now I'm telling all these points for the non-IT background students. Are you catching my words? Once you write a program, there is a chance you may use some wrong syntaxes and wrong code you have written. Whether you written right program or wrong program is verified by whom? Compiler software. Tell me, when I say tomorrow you went, that is a grammar mistake, na? The grammar in Java we call what? Syntax. What we call? Syntax. Now if you do any syntax mistakes, compiler software will catch that syntax mistakes and throw error and say, Babu, here you did mistake, correct it. Once you correct that mistake and make the program correctly, then compiler software converts your program. In which language you have written this program? English-like language, which is understandable to human. But JVM understandable language is not English-like. It understands a special program called bytecode. What is that? Sir, what is bytecode, sir? Telugu. What is bytecode, sir? Hindi. What is bytecode, sir? Tamil. What is bytecode, sir? Odia. Are you catching my point? Bytecode is a one kind of language. You don't understand what is it. Okay, just accept it. Like your native language, bytecode is also one language which is native to JVM. So compiler software is a translator software that converts source code. Source code means the developer written code into bytecode in a JVM understandable way. So as a developer, totally how many works I have to do? 3 works. Number 1, development, compilation, execution. As a developer, I have to develop the source code. Then later to translate to the bytecode, I have to use one special software called what? Compiler. Later to run the bytecode, I need another special software called what? JVM. Everyone understand that? Right. So totally, how many additional softwares I have to use? 2, compiler and JVM. Tell me, where compiler software is available? Where JVM software is available? Look at here. Compiler software and JVM software available in JDK software. Open JDK. Observe here, there are several folders you can see. Bin folder, conf folder, include folder, jmods folder, legal folder, lib folder. There are several folders are there. Among these folders, if you open bin folder, among this folder, if you open bin folder, in this bin folder, I have different exe files. Observe here, you have different exe files. I have different exe files. Among them, observe here, 2 exe files are important. Praveen, can you see the screen now? Praveen. Why earlier you cannot see? I'm not typing anything on the screen. I am explaining. You should know, am I explaining or I am typing? Okay. If you involve on speaking along with me, you will not feel that screen is not visible. Okay. Try to reply along with me. When I'm asking questions, you also answer. Come on, guys. Once you install JDK software, by using JDK software, how many activities I have to do? 2 activities. What are they? Compile and execute. For compilation purpose, what software I required? Compiler. For execution purpose, what software required? JVM. What are the compiler and JVM softwares here? 2. What the 2? Java, Java C. Come on, guess. Which is compiler software? Excellent, Java C. Which is JVM software? Hey, Java C. Java. Java C is Java compiler. Java is nothing but JVM. Tell me, sir. If you want to run your video, video, you are running VLC media player, na? If you want to execute any HTML page, you open browser, right? Double click on the browser, then browser window will be open, and then there you are entering the URL flipkart.com, right? Similarly, if you want to compile your Java program, you have to run compiler software. Look at here. I am double clicking on this compiler Java C. Hey, wait. What man? What is happening? It is not waiting here. Did you notice? Java C. Hey, wait. Where are you going? Look at that. When I double click on browser, it's open and waiting for me, right? But now when I double click on Java C, what happened? It's a blinko. Gone. Come to Java. It is a Meripatega. Okay, na? Hello. At least Java C, I can see something going on. But Java, Meripatega. Did you watch? There is a movie, Rajshekhar movie. Simharasi. Amma Meripatega Vaksar Vachipo Amma. I like that. Now Java, when you double click, what happened? It is coming and going. Notice. Do you remember? I told you there are two types of softwares are there. CUI and GUI. CUI is a console user interface. It will execute by using which software? Console, not by directly. So when you observe here carefully, when I double click on Java C, observe here what is coming and going. Console is coming or not? Did you notice? So tell me, I have to run Java C Java from where? Console. Open command prompt window. Okay, here I should type Java C. Now Java C is running and showing you output. All right, catch my point. Now here you should run what? Java. Now Java is running and showing output. So tell me, what are the three activities I have to do as a developer? Develop, compile, execute. To compile, to develop, I have a software called what? Notepad. I have to use a notepad. Here I should type my Java program. Okay, na? I have to type my Java program here. After typing and saving Java program, further, if you want to compile or execute, I need what? Java C. Okay, where I should run Java C from? Command prompt. Because Java C, Java are what? CUI based applications. Hope you all understand now. Right. Tell me, all are you ready for developing Java program now? Okay, not today, tomorrow. Okay, na? Right? So whatever the setup required for your Java software, what the setup required for a developing Java program, I did that setup in my system. If you also complete that setup in your system, then we can develop tomorrow Java program, first application, hello world application we are developing and seeing the output. And 2 to 3 examples also we are developing in tomorrow class. Everyone ready for it? Tell me, today class, all the people got clarity what I taught? Today I have explained. Now, what are the full Java course completing steps? How many courses at a time I have to do? 3. Core Java, Advanced Java, no. Oracle and HTML. In the middle of Core Java, Oracle, HTML, I should start Advanced Java. After completing these 4 courses, then you have to try for what? Job. How many months it will take to complete these 4 courses? 5 months it will take. 5 months it will take. Then if you start attending the interviews, if you got the job, still you have to continue Spring and Hibernate also. Frameworks also you have to complete. So that is full stack Java completion course. Then I have explained you that mobile numbers of your admin, you have to contact him. Right? And then next we started our first chapter in Java. That is what? Introduction to Java. As part of introduction to Java, or as part of Java basics, I can say, we have learned 4 points. Number 1, what is Java? Why Java? Who invented Java? Why Java required? What is the platform dependency? What is a platform? What is a platform OS? What is a platform dependency? It cannot execute in different ways. What is a platform independency? Can be executed under any OS. Why Java required platform independency when C and C++ doesn't require platform independency? Java required platform independency for developing internet application. An internet application should run across the world, across any operating system. That's why Java required platform independency. Then using Java, can I develop both standalone and internet application? Yes. By default, what type of applications we can develop? standalone. If we want to develop internet application, I have to attach what? Advanced Java, HTML and advanced Java, I have to attach to it. Then as part of our course, current course, I have to start with what? Core Java. I have to start with what? Core Java. As part of Core Java, what I have to learn? Standalone application. To develop standalone application, which is software I required? Java. In Java, how many softwares are there? Two. JDK and JRE. Now, as a developer, which software I have to install? JDK. Now, once you install JDK, by using JDK software, I have to do what? Compile and execute. So for compilation, what I required? Java C. For execution, what I required? Java. How to run compiler in Java? Like GUI applications, can I run Java C Java by double clicking? No, because Java C Java are what type of application? Standalone application. I mean CUI application. Okay, na? So you have to what do you call run Java C Java from console command prompt. Is it clear to everyone? What is our course? What is our course? Core Java. Core Java and Python with JVM, with a project development. Right? Tell me, tomorrow you have to develop one program or two programs? Hello World program in Java. Hello World program in Python. Right? Then install Python also. Tell me, our reader, who is that fellow? How to pronounce your name, Acharya? It is Srina. Babu, it is Sri Acharya. Guys, come on. I want to install Python now. Will you help me? What to do? Open. Open browser. Acharya, tell me. After open browser, what to do? Search for Python download. Python download. Let's go. Download Python. Click on download Python. And then python.org is the website. And then click on what? Download Python. Which version? 3.11.2. Anaconda is a distribution by year that we'll see later. And now Python 3.11.2. Click on it. Python is so simple. Look at that. Download completed. Your click is the late. Okay. That much small budget software it is. Then next what I need to do? Click on installation started. Dekho bhaiya. Where it is installing now? C users HK app data local programs Python. Oh my God. Java at least installing program file. And now let me go forward. Custom installation. Create shortcut and file association include. I have to add python.exe to the path. Then click on custom installation. Documentation, pip, TCL, Python test suite, PyLauncher. Click next. Install Python 3.11 for all users. When I click on all users, it is coming path change. Did you notice? Next, download debugging symbols. Download debugging binaries. Download, enjoy. Next, I don't want install in program files. Nonsense. Remove it. All softwares try to install wherein? C directly. C Python 3.11. Okay, now our Java's version is 19. Its version is what? 311. 3.1 or 3.11? 3.11.2. And now click on install. Click on yes. Once again told about Java installation. Chaitanya, browser kelli adugura babu chesida niku. Go to browser and type Java install. That is simple things also. Why you are complicating, Rabo? Chaitanya, you never install any software in your computer? Then same way install JDK also, buddy. Problem on. I didn't explain any problem. Problem is problem. That's it. What is that problem? I didn't explain. Your system is Mac. So what? Mac software you download and install. In Mac, there is no problem. Like how other softwares are installed, same way install. VS Code is for developing HTML pages, not Java, Python. Okay, sir. Listen. Now Python installation is completed. Close. Then go to C drive. Go to C drive. Now Python, where are you? Python software is installed here in C drive. Click on it. Look at here. You will find something called what? Like Java, C Java, we have python.exe. Double click on python.exe. Look at that. It is open console window and waiting for you to run your program. Tell me, what is Python? Is it a programming language or scripting language? It is a scripting come programming. Most dominating is what? Scripting. That's why as a window is open with this scripting symbol. Are you following my point? But Java is a scripting up, completely programming up. Completely programmed. So our Java will not open. You have to open it explicitly. Okay, na? Right. So tomorrow we will try to understand how to develop Java program, how to develop Python program. 1 second. Today is the last day for demo classes. Tomorrow onwards, you have to come to the class for by doing payment. Offline students, you no need to worry, admin will take care. Online students, you have to complete your payment today. Tomorrow, you have to come to the class with payment. By tomorrow evening, all you people listen. By tomorrow evening, you will get the new link to all you people. Okay, na? To your registered mobile numbers and all. If you have not received, please join class tomorrow also by using this same link. Online students, did you listen? Tomorrow also, if you didn't get the new link, join by using the same link. Admin will suggest you what to do. Okay, na? How to do payments? Now here payment details is given. In your Google Classroom, payment details are given. You can do online transfer. You can do UPI transfer by using account numbers. Once the payment is completed, please look at here. You have to fill the below form. Click on this link. Click on this link. Offline students, you should also do this. Hello. Offline students, after completing your payment, you have receipt, na? Okay, look at here. All the people go to Google Classroom. Click on this Core Java HK hyperlink. Then this is your payment screen upload link. Here you should enter your name, contact number, working WhatsApp number. Okay. Don't give normal number. WhatsApp number you have to give. I'll ask him to change contact number to WhatsApp number. And email, working email. And then batch details. Which batch you are? Online or classroom? Online you are attending, select online. Classroom attending, select classroom. Okay. Then click on add file and upload your payment screenshot. Okay, na? If a payment screenshot is having some size limit, 10 MB or something is there. If it is a throwing error, size is crossing, then what you do? Open your mobile, take photo. offline students. Okay, na? And you're uploading, if it is throwing error, again take the screenshot. In your mobile, you take screenshot. Then size will be decreased and cut properly. You know, right? Crop or something. Do crop properly so that size will be decreased. That new file you have to upload. So by tomorrow afternoon, all people should complete the payments and upload the screen. Clear? Tomorrow we are going to learn Java Hello World application and Python Hello World application. I will teach you Python Hello World application as a scripting, as a functional program, and also as a object-oriented programming. All three ways I am going to explain you tomorrow. Don't miss tomorrow class, very important. Thank you. That's all for today class. Good night. Ajay, open Mac hyperlink. There you can see the different options. Which option is suitable to your system, you download, man. Okay?
My friend had a system. He completed BCom. Now he wants to join MCA. But he also continue courses on.
You can do it. By the end of MCA completed, you'll be ready for the job, na? You know?
He is from Maharashtra. He is from Maharashtra.
Okay.
Last course. Able to online classes also.
No, anyone.
Like the online course, you can last course.
Class? ఏమడిగి క్లాస్మేట్ కూడా ఉంటుంది
Sir, if we get a college from India,
yeah, you can attend from online.
we convert online.
Brightness కొంచెం
దాని బ్రైట్నెస్ అడ్మిన్ చెప్తాను చెప్తాను అడ్మిన్
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
వెల్కమ్.
अभी हमने फुल स्टैक की बैच ज्वाइन की है यूआई फुल स्टैक और एक कोर जावा तो ओरेकल करना है
Oracle?
ओरेकल तो ऐसा फ्रेशर के लिए बेटर है
You want Oracle job?
हाँ
You want Oracle job, SQL job?
no I want developing but I will join UI full stack job full stack join किया
You want to join UI full stack?
नहीं UI join किया
Why?
बैच join की
Why? You want Java, I mean Java development side or UI development? That both are different paths. Why you want to choose both? HTML, Java, CSS is not UI full stack. That is only HTML. UI full stack means what? Front end and back end, Node.js. In place of core Java, you are learning Node.js there. Okay, na? So front end only you are learning, not UI full stack. Don't join UI full stack. Don't waste your money and time. Only HTML, JavaScript, CSS, React. That much. Okay, na? Okay, online students, I will teach you okay how to install and all one more time, and I'll tell you the steps in our Google Classroom. You can follow. Okay, na? Don't worry. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. I have another class now. Okay. See you tomorrow. In Google Classroom, I'll send the steps for installing both Java and Python.